What's up, people? This is Josh again from Lord of the Keys, here with the tutorial today. Today we're going to be learning Cinderella by Mac Miller. This is one of my favorite songs. It's a beautiful song, and today I'm going to teach you how to play it. So, we're going to divide this song up into two parts. The first part is essentially the verses and the chorus, and then the second part is like just the second half of the song. So we'll just go ahead and start with the main and the first part. So to start off, we're gonna have our right hand on octave E's. And your right hand's just gonna stay still. It's not gonna move much. And you're just gonna be kind of going back and forth. So it's gonna be pinky, thumb, ring finger, back to the thumb, middle finger, back to the thumb. And so that's all that's gonna play in the right hand. Pretty simple, right? In the left hand, we're gonna start with an F sharp. Then we're gonna go to B. And then there's a little, it's like an A flat minor type of step up. It's gonna be B, C sharp, D sharp, and we're gonna end on the A flat. And this is then just gonna go right down. We're gonna just go back to the F sharp, and you can even jump there like this. And together it sounds like. And if you want to even make it a little more fancy, you can add your index finger and play this this A flat with the octave, so it sounds like. And together, it would sound like this. Your left hand stays the same. And so that is like, I've been waiting all night for this moment. I've been waiting all year for this moment. So that's that part. That's Mac Miller's verses. And then for part two of the song, we're gonna call this like section A. The first part of part two, section A, it's gonna go right into a C minor. And let me pull up the words just so that people know where I'm at. It starts with, hey now, I'm saying my only way out is waiting. I won't stop till you're mine. Know it. So that part, those are four. Those are just some chords. We're gonna go over them right now. So it starts with a C minor, and then I like to do this little. It goes from to G to G sharp little step right before you land on the F chord. So it's gonna sound like. And then it's G minor. And then B flat 7. Then we're gonna jump up to an E flat. And I kind of like to make this an E flat 7 just because I think it sounds better. And and the melody is also in the 7th as well. Now we're gonna go to the F, G minor, to the B flat 7. And then now, whenever he starts and says, "I've been meaning to tell you," that's the E flat. And you know, like I said, at the 7 if you want the melody. Then we're gonna go to, oh man. That's an E flat 7 minor. So it's gonna go from that major to the E flat 7 minor. And then we're gonna play all in the chords, that's where the melody is, to an A flat major, to a C sharp major, to an F, to C sharp 7. And then we're gonna go back to the part A of the song. Oh, Cinderella, to an F, don't you know? And on the third time of this part, wherever you come from, wherever you're going, whenever he starts that part. So on the third part of this little on the second part of this, we're gonna go B flat 7, D minor, G minor, B flat 7, back to our E flat major. And then it's just gonna be the same as before. E flat major, F, G minor, B flat 7. And that's how you play Cinderella. So just for the second part, just to have it all down, it's gonna sound like this. All right, so you got that part and then the first part. And so if you just add those two together, you have Mac Miller's Cinderella. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what else I can do, and comment below on what type of songs you guys want to hear in the future. I like to play a lot of hip hop and kind of just whatever. But I'm always down for new suggestions. Just let me know, and hope you guys have a good one.